In a recipe rut, refresh your routine with Allrecipes' all-time top-rated dinners. With thousands of 5-star reviews, these are the best of the best dishes, from our community to your table. From cheesy lasagna to easy enchiladas and finger-licking good baby back ribs, these recipes are guaranteed crowd pleasers the whole family will love. With almost 20,000 5-star reviews, this may just be the world's best lasagna. It starts with a simple meat sauce made with ground beef and Italian sausage for a flavor shortcut. Add some tomato sauce and paste, and an enticing blend of seasonings including basil and fennel for an authentic Italian taste. Once your ragu is ready, it's time to cook your noodles, then build layers of flavor. Ricotta and mozzarella cheese make this lasagna extra cheesy, plus Parmesan and more mozzarella on top for a cheesy, crispy finish. Once baked, then slightly cooled, serve and get ready for rave reviews. Nothing says comfort food like chicken pot pie, and this recipe is as classic and easy as they come. Start by cooking a roux with flour and butter, then season. Chicken broth and milk bring richness, then the traditional fillings come in. Cooked chicken, peas, carrots, and new potatoes. Store-bought pie crust keeps things easy, and the whole pie comes together in no time. Only slightly more effort, this pot pie tastes so much better than store-bought. One of the all-time highest-ranked recipes on Allrecipes. These baby back ribs from community member Scott Hibb's are finger-looking good. Start with 2 racks of baby back ribs and season simply. This recipe takes a trick from major restaurant chains. Pre-cooking the ribs low and slow in the oven before a quick sear on the grill ensures meat so tender and juicy it falls right off the bone. If you've never made your own barbecue sauce, prepare to be amazed. It takes a little more time but is worth every minute for a sweet, sticky, and spiced sauce you will want to slather on everything. Dish them out at your next barbecue or summer cookout. Imagine the creaminess of fettuccine alfredo mixed with the kick of Cajun seafood stews, and you've got this pasta. It starts with a rich cream sauce flavored with Cajun spices. If you can't handle the heat, divide the amount of peppers in half. Cook your seafood right in the cream sauce, then add lots of Parmesan and stir in your fettuccine. This pasta can also go in a casserole dish to be placed under the broiler until the top turns golden brown for an extra decadent twist. Chicken thighs are an easy and affordable option for weeknight dinners, and this garlic brown sugar glaze takes them over the top. Season the thighs simply with salt and pepper, then crisp them up in a skillet. Start building your simple pan sauce with garlic, brown sugar, and fresh herbs. Add back in the chicken and bake until golden brown. Then prepare to savor the crunchy chicken skin and brown sugar pan sauce that comes out with this. Reviewer Sunny Days Nora writes, "This sauce is seriously incredible. I ended up doubling it after I tasted it." These spicy shrimp skewers from community member Pat Rhoda are the perfect summer dinner. They write, "This is an amazing spicy grilled shrimp recipe. It's become my family's new favorite. The sauce does double duty as both a marinade and a basting sauce while grilling, and packs flavor as well as heat. Feel free to adjust the hot sauce quantity to fit your family's preference. Soaking the skewers in water ahead of time ensures they don't burn on the grill. Serve these shrimp up with a little lemon and watch them disappear." Pork chops are a family favorite, and this creamy herb sauce is so delicious you may want to drizzle it on every dinner. Season thick-cut pork chops with savory spices, then pan fry them in butter for perfectly tender chops. Once they're cooked through, build a simple pan sauce that starts with an herbed roux and milk for extra creaminess. This dish is easy enough for a weeknight, but packs impressive flavor. These enchiladas don't claim to be authentically Mexican in the slightest, but they do claim to be delicious, and boy are they. They're also a great way to use up leftover rotisserie chicken, especially when it gets an added boost of flavor from chopped bacon and a super easy ranch sour cream sauce. Mix everything together, then add the filling to corn tortillas with some cheese and roll. Bake with enchilada sauce, then top with even more cheese, because why not? This dish has all the comforting flavors your family loves, served up in a totally new way. Skip the takeout and make this super simple stir fry that comes together in less time than delivery would take. Use a large pan or a wok if you have one and saute garlic and ground beef. Then add your favorite veggies, or in this case, cabbage and red bell peppers. Cornstarch helps thicken the soy-based sauce, and black pepper adds a kick. Serve over rice for an easy, affordable weeknight dinner. Author Janice Tofuri writes, "My Italian husband says this is his absolute favorite dinner. This chicken parmesan recipe is not only Italian husband approved, but also easy to make and packed with flavor. To ensure your chicken parm is anything but plain, this recipe packs seasoning into every component of the breading. Plus, it adds Japanese panko breadcrumbs into the mix for extra crunchy chicken. A 3-step dredging process, plus a quick pan fry, makes for perfectly crisp tenderloins that get layered with marinara sauce and shredded Italian cheese blend. Baking angel hair pasta right into the casserole saves on time and dishes, and you're left with the perfect Italian dinner all in one pan. Serve up with garlic bread and dig in." We hope you'll try some of these top-rated dishes from the Allrecipes community. Dinner is served.